All right, guys, we got a 2012 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter. What we got done on it: factory converter there, factory converter there, secondary converters there, factory resonator, then 2 1/4 pipe. And we did a muffler delete earlier in the year on it, and it was just too loud for him. He enjoyed it for a while, and he's like, I'm just done with the loudness. So we took and put 2 vibrant quiet flows on it, there and there, and some 4.5-inch tips out the back, there and there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Cadillac CTS 3.6. It's still got a nice tone to it, but it's just deeper now. Your sound decibels. Again. 91.2. So 92 we'll say. I think it's clean. It sounds a lot cleaner now. So if you want to go with low drone inside, that's what you go with. What do you think? Give it gas? Perfect. You still get tone, but not too much. Just clean, you know? All right. Perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Cadillac CTS